Hello guys, I'm Shax and welcome to my blog. And now, um, I will tell you about the Creator. Guys, the creation is real. There is water, there is land, there is moon, there is sun, there are stars. Everything exists because of the Creator. And ask the Creator how everything was made. And the Creator will speak to you. You will receive an answer. You're so lucky that the Creator answered you. The Creator cannot be seen, but life. And the Creator will respond to you what you can see any human, because that is real. I'm a believer, I'm a God seeker, I'm a praiser. And the Creator responds to me through wisdom and understanding. I can understand it. That is wisdom. Like a whispering, but it's wisdom and understanding. Creator answer me about Jesus. Creator answer me about Lucifer. I mean about hell. If demon or exist. Creator answer me about heaven. Creator answer me about angels. So seek the Creator, and Creator will reveal everything in truthness. And after that, love the Creator. Just praise, be thankful, in love with all of your heart, mind, body, strength in your life. Always remember that Creator is so good. Creator is God, omnipotent, know how to thunder, know how to wind, know how to move any parts of your body. And I will tell you, love the Creator. Don't lose hope. Do you know why? Because Creator is real. Even you failed praying because you love most Jesus. I will tell you, love most the Creator, who is the reason of your life, of all graces, of the earth, stars, universe, everything that exists. Creator is the reason of that. And I will tell you that don't expect too much about the Creator. Yes, Creator can do miracles, can help you, can protect you. But I will tell you honestly, don't expect too much. Seek the Creator, know the Creator, ask about the Creator, and you will know the truth. Nothing is impossible to the Creator. So expect the unexpectation. And I will tell you that Creator, my God, is real. I will tell you, and that is real. Don't lose hope. Love the Creator much. Seek the Creator much. And the Creator will answer you. This is your blog. This is real. And I hope it's helped you to have communication with the Creator and more hope, loving the Creator. If you feel empty because you feel Creator is not real, God is not real, Creator is real. Always remember, Creator is real because existence is real. Based in existence, not in the books, not in the Bible, Quran, Torah. Don't. Base your expectation, base your God, named Creator, in existence. There is earth, moon, stars, and galaxies. And I swear to you, Creator will respond to you. And enjoy loving the Creator because I'm enjoying. And even I have a problem, we have a problem, it's okay. That's why I love the Creator so much because that is real. And now I will tell you that don't lose hope. Everything exists. And that is real. Thanks so much. I'm Shax, your friend. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and please click the notification bell. Thank you so much. Bye. I'm a believer. Always remember, I'm a believer, God seeker, and a praiser. I'm a believer who believes in the Creator. I'm a God seeker who seek the Creator, and now I have a Creator. Successful. And I'm a praiser who sing to the Creator because I love the Creator. Thank you so much. Bye.